guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers with Gigi in the back seat, not knowing what's going on, and she's making noise. Anyway, we are driving around Puglia today, and in fact we're heading out to Monopoli because we want to check out this furniture store that sells kitchens and bathrooms. It's called Scavolino, and it looks kind of like a Bama, you know, like our Calabrian Bama. So we're going to check that out. We're also heading to IKEA, which is exciting and fun. I love IKEA. I just love their stuff, and we're going to do little tours and things like that. And if we see noteworthy things, we're going to show you what they are, probably have a lunch somewhere, and just have a wonderful time. It's a beautiful day here in Puglia. The weather finally warmed up, and it's just gorgeous. So let's take a little road trip. Okay guys, the furniture store was closed, so we are here in Monopoli, and we thought we'd take a look at the Centro Storico. This is a gorgeous park. I'm going to turn this around so you can see. So pretty. I was intrigued by this building. It looks like sort of a southern, you know, plantation style, which is very interesting, with elements of, you know, some of the capitals on the top of the columns and whatnot. Very interesting. Never seen anything like it here in Italy. Some Byzantine things. We are near the sea. The harbor is over in that direction. Well, really all there. And there's this beautiful, beautiful park here with this gorgeous fountain. It's full of octopi. Very pretty. Now, there's a church over there. We're going to strike out and see what we can find over there. We figure that's probably where most of the Centro Storico is. We've had trouble finding it. I don't think it's all that huge. On the other hand, the harbor is gorgeous, and the sea is so beautiful today. So it looks like we found the Centro Storico here. We're going to take a little walk and see what it looks like. Okay, it's a cute little Centro Storico. Characteristic. Looks like lots of restaurants around here too. Oh yeah, very pretty. It looks like the church is over on that side, but we're going to head down to the harbor because I want to see the water from here. Looks like they have all kinds of little restaurants. It's winter time now, but I'll bet you in spring and summer this place is hopping. Super pretty. This looks like a German restaurant. Well, that'd be interesting. 1995 it says, Momelli. Huh, interesting. They don't look open now. But again, in spring, I'm sure they're all hopping. Okay, so we're down here at the harbor. There's a nice restaurant. It looks like it's open today. They're setting up, and there's plates on the tables. That's good. Up here you have the sea. And you got that little wall that goes along over to the tower. Okay, we're down here by the harbor. It's a beautiful sea. I mean, it's gorgeous. There's the big tower. Castle. We're going to go through it another day when we have time. Right now we're heading over to do furniture shopping. A lot of interesting elements here that I see also in Sicily and even in Venice, the Byzantine elements with the pointy arches and whatnot. Very cool. Monopoli is a very, very pretty place. And the Centro Storico looks very charming. In summer and spring, I'm sure it's really hopping because the prices here are pretty high. Okay. I love this little arch with an arch over the top of it. The architecture here is very cool. I'm just loving Puglia so much. And Pete is going into this little place and seeing what's inside. It looks like an indoor courtyard. Very cool. Yeah. There's the Coast Guard area and the sea. Oh my gosh, so pretty. It's a beautiful day. Cold but sparkly. Sparkly clear. Here's the exterior of the Centro Storico here. And the tower's out that way. Okay, so we made it to the IKEA in Bari, and what a place. We found this awesome kitchen for our clients. We think it's going to be perfect, and you would be amazed at the number of space-saving gadgets they have. Plus, they have dishes and pots and pans, everything you need. There is also a solution that we loved. This kitchen here, the table. You can go with a smaller table because it's a smaller space. You can still have that angolo kitchen with that little island in it. And then you got your really nice soggiorno space here. Small space, but lots of functionality. And they're so pretty. I just love these. Okay, we are having way too much fun looking at all the stackable solutions, the handy racks, and of course this beautiful chair, which I just absolutely adore. We found another kitchen that might be great for our clients, but we're not sure about this one. It's a little dark, maybe a lighter backsplash. The front cabinet or island being a little lighter would brighten it up a little bit, but it's a beautiful design. Hi guys, okay, we were at IKEA and my phone's running out of gas, so I basically just took stills of the kitchens we love for our clients. And now we're here at the IKEA restaurant. Pete, are you enjoying it?
Oh, it's fantastic.
It's good. We got some smoked salmon, I got salmon and peas, and of course French fries, and we're going to power up and keep shopping. Okay, Pete and I are lost in the IKEA, but while we're lost and while Pete is looking at the IKEA map, which is so important, I'm going to show you these cool things. So they have all kinds of cool kitchen-y stuff here. Like, look at this little thing here. A little sort of unit with stuff hanging down. And then the kitchen itself is small, but then you've got all these other places you can put stuff. Shelves and racks and cabinets and all kinds of good things. So this little small space is actually pretty comfortable. Yeah, I think our client's house, something like this would just be absolutely perfect. Just walked by all the dishes and curtains, and there's everything here. Everything is here. Now here's all the rugs. I like this rug, especially when you have a dog. In case of an accident, look at those yellow areas. It's pretty cool. So yeah, I mean this rug here is only 99 euros for crying out loud. And look at all these other ones. Now I'm running out of juice, so this may end abruptly, but yeah, I mean, this is a place to come if you want to get all kinds of stuff. We'd go look at bathroom things. Okay, the kitchen we picked out for our clients would be perfect, I think, with this sort of as a motif. The wood, the dark mirror. Check this out. How handy is that? Put your extra toilet paper and whatnot on that, and you got your toothbrushes and everything, and then another little cabinet. It all fits in a very small space. Now, check out this lighting on this mirror. Hello! You got all kinds of stuff here. This is a great place. I'm having a ton of fun. Ooh, this one's nice too. Oh yeah, I like this one. I like this one. If it kind of matches a little bit the other kitchen area, or sort of jives in some way, you find some points of matchingness, might use that. That's actually very clean, very pretty. I just love it. And this mirror is giant. Nice lighting, but I would want that lighting above the mirror, which would make it really, really nice. Indirect. Very nice. A lot of stuff here, you guys. This is a great place to come. In Bari, it's only about 20 minutes from Mola. Okay, these are really cool. Hello, guys. These are really cool. Big circle. And then on the back is a laminate stone, but I would put a thin layer. I would put a thin layer of actual stone on the back, just on the back of that wall. It wouldn't be that expensive. You can get the marmista to cut you a piece like that, or 2 pieces or 4 pieces to put together. A multitude of sinks for every taste and budget. And of course, you can see there's everything, all the racks, all of the little things, all of the little appliances and whatnot that you need, all of the little hanging things and supporting things here. Just really everything you might want. Amazing. This place is really good. Okay, now I know people don't really think much about their piatto doccia, which is the plate, the floor, what do you call it? I don't know what it is in English, but anyway, it's the bottom of the shower. And this is really nice because you can see it's got little bumps on it. You will not slip, and it looks super easy to clean, and it's 149 euros. And it's big, it's a good size. I like this a lot. There we go. Okay, our trip to IKEA was exciting and big. It's massive. Anyway, good place to buy everything you need.